The deal is dead. Look at them. Everyone in this room is losing money right now, except him. We have a glitch in our operating system, a massive one. We've been brainwashed by the hustle bros and the personal branding gurus to believe that volume equals value, that if you aren't pitching, you aren't earning. But if you look at the tax returns, the person making the most noise is usually the one with the lowest hourly rate. Noise isn't a power move. Noise is a tax. And today, I'm going to show you how to stop paying it. Here is the uncomfortable truth the school system hid from you. Talking is a biological signal of need. In the wild, the predator is silent. The prey makes noise. Why? Because the prey is trying to signal, I am big, don't eat me. The predator doesn't need to signal anything. It knows what it is. When you walk into a meeting and start selling yourself, listing your credentials, your past wins, your ideas, you think you're displaying competence. You aren't. You are displaying insecurity. You are giving the market data. And in game theory, data is ammunition. Think about it. The moment you speak, you reveal your timeline. You reveal your desperation. You reveal what you fear losing. You are literally handing the other person the blueprint to manipulate you. So why do we do it? Why can't we shut up? Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds sociopathic. I have to network. If I don't speak, I'm invisible. Fair point. But you're confusing visibility with presence. The loud person is playing a game of addition. If I say more words, I add more value. The wealthy person is playing a game of subtraction. It's basic economics. Sand is cheap because it's everywhere. Gold is expensive because it's hard to find. If your words are flowing like a broken fire hydrant, their value drops to zero. Inflation hits your credibility. But if you sit there for 20 minutes without saying a word, tension builds. The other people in the room start to panic. Their brains scream, why isn't he seeking our validation? What does he know that we don't? And that is when the shift happens. Here is the mechanism. It's called the vacuum principle. Humans hate a conversational vacuum. If you pause for just 4 seconds, the other person will break. They will fill that silence with the truth. They will drop their price. They will admit the project is behind schedule. They will tell you exactly how to beat them, just to make the awkwardness stop. You didn't have to ask for it. You just had to wait for them to pay the silence tax. So you assume the goal is just to win the negotiation, right? To get the money? Actually, no. That's small thinking. The quiet premium isn't just about money. It's about optionality. When you are loud, you lock yourself into a position. You defend your ego. You shouted your prediction, so now you have to be right. You are a static target. But the quiet person, they are fluid. Because they haven't stated a position, they can change their mind instantly without losing face. They can pivot. They can exit. In a volatile economy, the person who is right usually loses to the person who is adaptable. And you cannot adapt if your mouth is busy cementing your feet to the floor. Look at the loud guy again. Veins popping, desperate to be the smartest person in the room. He thinks he's fighting for dominance. But really, he's just auditioning. The loudest person in the room is almost always working for the quietest.